The Virginia Highlands Farmers Market is a farmers market right at the corner of Virginia and Highlands every Thursday from 4 to 7. We are a program of community farmers markets and we host all local vendors. So I'm the Director of Education and Outreach for Community Farmers Markets, and my role is to be a part of the communities around where our farmers markets are. I teach in the schools and in the senior centers. I visit the neighborhood events and the neighborhood meetings and the libraries like this one or any other place where the community is, and we offer all sorts of different education and activations in hopes of bringing folks to our farmers market to meet their local farmers. During the story time, we always explore one of our seasonal produce items. Right now, we're really excited about berry season. We are just finishing up our summer berry season with strawberries and blueberries and peaches right before we move into fall apple season. So while we were celebrating berries, we read a lot of rhyming and fun, short, repetitive books about berries. We sang some songs about berries and how berries grow. Fruits, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Let's try it again. We also had a blueberry taste test, and every child that tasted it got a sticker that said, "I tasted it," and all of the caregivers went home with a $5 coupon to spend at the farmer's market so that they could get some berries or last of the season or anything else they could find that they're excited about. So the Virginia Highlands Farmers Market is open every Thursday from 4 to 7 through November 16th this year. We are a program of community farmers markets, so you can find more information at cfmatl.org. Please make sure that you sign up for our newsletter. That is the best way to find out what produce is in season, what vendors will be at market each week, and what events are coming up. You can sign up for that email newsletter at our website.